Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start another series of videos in which we are going to learn to make mini projects using Amazon Web Services, right? So till now, and I have actually observed in many of the students that they know the services, they know what is the use of that services, but they simply fail to put those services into a program and run them as proper working project. So here these videos I think will going to help the students to bridge the gap between knowing the services and actually doing the hands-on and producing some projects using those services. So this is going to be my project number one, which is a text to speech converter. And obviously here I will be using the service known as Amazon Polly, and the SDK that I'm going to use is Boto 3, which is used with Python, right? So let us start with the first part, which actually consists of the introduction to Amazon Polly. Now, talking about Amazon Polly, it is a service that turns text into lifelike speeches, allowing you to create applications that talk and build entirely new categories of speech-enabled products. Polly's text-to-speech service uses advanced deep learning technologies to synthesize natural-sounding human speech. With dozens of lifelike voices across a broad set of languages, you can build speech-enabled applications that work in many different countries. So Amazon Polly is, an amazing tool which is Amazon is offering to you. It comes with lot of language capabilities, sounding capabilities, different pronunciations, and it actually enables you to make products which are actually speaking to you, right? So there are a lot of use cases in which we can use Amazon Polly, but rather studying anything theoretically, let us go to our AWS account and see what are the capabilities that Amazon Polly is offering to you. So here is the home page where you see Amazon Polly, and it says that it turns text into lifelike speeches using deep learning. Yes, it is very true that Amazon Polly is based on the deep learning, right? And if I talk about, and as I told you that it is a text to speech converter and it comes in several languages, and you can see that there are languages like English, like Brazilian, Danish, French, Japanese, Korean, and many more. And you have even have the voice versions. You can have a female voice as well as male voice for the same. And talking about some of the benefits that Amazon Polly gives you is the sounds are very natural sounding voices, and it allows ultimate replays of the sounds first generated. So only the first time if you generate a new if for the first time if you generate a text to speech, then it will be costing you money, and after that you know every time you replay that sound is actually free of cost. It gives you real-time streaming. It is of course in low cost, as you can see over here that 5 million characters are free per month for in the free tier account. So it is very handy, and for the beginners who are actually learning to make projects, it is very economic if you use Amazon Polly. And here are some of the use cases, means some of the examples which AWS gives you where you can make use of this Amazon Polly. So it is also giving you some of the ideas of making projects. So what it says that you have a news article over here and you have written an AWS Lambda function which is coming for the serverless architecture. We are going to learn the serverless framework of AWS later on in our video series. Right now, I'm not using AWS Lambda. I shall be using Boto 3 simply to make use of Amazon Polly. But yes, what you can do is you can make a serverless app which actually converts the article. As soon as you submit any article in a bucket, then a Lambda function is triggered. The Polly will convert the text into speech. And again, there will be a Lambda function that will be storing those MP3 speeches into your S3 bucket, and you can retrieve it from there. So it is just a simple sort of text to speech converter uh, application that you can actually produce with the help of Amazon Polly. Then we have some e-learning application where you have a lesson, then you convert that lesson from, you have written that lesson in text, you convert it into speech. Those speech files are stored either in S3, and it may be indexed in DynamoDB, and again they can be distributed through CloudFront network and so on. Now let us sign into our management console so that we can actually see the Amazon Polly services directly. So let me just sign in to my management console. Now from the management console, you can directly go to the services in machine learning. Because it's a part of deep learning, you can find Amazon Polly over here. And clicking on this, you will be redirected to the the home page, or you can say Polly console. And here it is that you have options to convert your text to speech, right? So you can here select the languages, in whichever language you want to get your answers, and the voices that are available. Here it is telling you to input the text that you want, right? And you can do is you can click over here and listen to the conversion in real time.
Hi, my name is Joanna. I will read any text you type here.
Right? So that is how we actually saw or actually listen to the text to speech conversion using deep learning mechanism by the help of Amazon Polly. You can also change, the voice, let's say Matthew, and if I run it over here, then you can also hear.
Hi, I'm Matthew. I will read any text you type here.
So that is that simple. Now, what is our task is, in this project, I will be creating a simple Python GUI. I shall be typing my text over there, and I will be using this Amazon Polly services with the help of Python Boto 3 and get this particular text that I'm going to write into that GUI converted into speech. So this was just a brief introduction to tell what is Amazon Polly. And now I shall be seeing you in the next lecture, where we shall be doing the hands-on in Python to see how we can write a program and use Amazon Polly with the help of Python script. Thanks for watching.